Last week again, the call was to buy net gas and see what it has achieved. It has gone close to 2.57 levels, though it stayed below 2.6, which are the greater resistance. And yes, it has indeed showed a good swing. In fact, almost achieved the bottom from the previous week. Yes, it failed to bridge the gap here, but still the lowers achieved at 2.28 and then this good recovery. I hope you all profited there with the levels I shared last week. So now what to expect next week, which position you should take trading net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily analysis and updates and targets for net gas. So do not miss this. Join my Telegram channel also where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Press the bell icon, join it. And yes, join the Telegram channel also. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily chart. See, started the week on the bearish note, almost 2.28 has given it a very strong support, and then this stronger bullish candle, it went in towards 2.57, 2.6 levels, the next resistance level. Now this is a good sign. This is still bullish. I had told you earlier that it has formed a bottom here and net gas is going to stay bullish from here. Now see, precisely if you look at the formation on the daily charts, you will find that it is started to trade bullish here. Now the highs of this channel are little far above at 2.7, 2.8 levels, which is certainly a very good resistance. Now, secondly, on the downside, there is a gap here to be filled till towards 2.23 levels, 2.22 levels. So this gap, which we should wait for it, and if only and only if it fills the gap, that further bearishness is going to prevail. Right now, yes, it has come out of this sideways box and it is traded bullish. It has given a breakout. However, now this last candle is extremely important. Why? Because see, very long wick and a very small body. At the same time, it is coming on the behest of double bottom and higher lows. So this is a bullish sign. This is a good sign for net. But my only worry point is the strong long wick size and a very small body there. So once it stays below 2.3 levels, 2.28 levels next week, just stay short. We are going to look at 2.25 and below levels. It is going to fill the gap if it stays below these levels. At the same time, remember the fact it has breached this bearishness. It has traded bullish and hence beyond 2.5 certainly just stay long. Beyond 2.5 we are going to look at a flyer for 2.65, 2.7 and in fact 2.8 levels. Now look at the weekly charts. Now on the weekly charts, I had told you this is a reversal sign on the weekly charts, and that is what has happened. We have seen this rising. Yes, you can see it is also trading in this bearish channel, but also remember the bottom and the reversal sign indicated bullishness. Here also 2.28 levels still provided it a very good support. Now see, the previous candle is a kind of a doji. However, you can see the very small body and the prices failed to stay on the upside, which indicates that yes, if you see it trading below 2.38 you can sell, but then be watchful till towards 2.3, 2.28 levels, and once it draws below 2.28, possibly more stronger drop is going to take it for 2.25 and 2.2 levels. So this is something you should note there, that staying below 2.38 and then specifically if it draws below 2.28, yes, stay short further. We are going to look forward to a reversal from here and it is going to provide you the red candles there. So this is something which you should wait for. At the same time, a rise here, it is going to give it a very good rise. So possibly beyond 2.45 itself you can stay long. Now look at the monthly. Now see the new monthly candle, the month of May is going to start. And if you look at this movement here, you will find a big green body and a smaller wick out there. Second is just look at the last two candles. You can find lower lows and you can find lower highs there. So yes, this high has still fallen short of, and there is a strong probability that it can open in green and stay green here, try to achieve the highs at 2.6, and from there also a little pullback cannot be denied, which can pull the prices towards 2.3, 2.2 levels. Now see 2.4 plus zero point 0.2 is almost 2.6 and minus zero point 0.2 is almost 2.2. So it can still show you the good swings in the month of May before it takes a direction on the upside. Now yes, it is still definitely bullish. I will not consider this as bearish. Yes, it is still to be on the path of a reversal. And the second candle, if at any point of time, I will wait for it to break past 2.8, which is going to be the next resistance zone. So on the monthly charts, first green candle, and see, also one should look at bigger, you can say the body size has consistently diminished for the bears. Yes, and now it is trying to look upward. So first it has to break past 2.7, 2.8 zone, then certainly we are going to look forward to further bullishness. So this is just on the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators here. Indicators on the daily charts, it traded outside Bollinger Bands and then got a pullback towards the end of the week. Yes, super trend is also signaling a sell till 2.5 levels. At the same time, if you look at the moving averages, they have started to converge. The 20 and 50 period moving average have started to converge. The 100 period moving average is far above at $3 levels. So yes, this conversion is a good sign. Wait for it to cross over. Certainly above 2.5, 2.6 levels, it might cross over and then we can expect it to rise more. Also remember, right now it is trading at the top half of the Bollinger Bands. This is a bullish sign. It can in fact continue with this for a little while. Now see, the stock stick has dropped. It is trading at comfortable levels, but yes, also it comes with a little room for it to rise, continue with the rise. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence here, and you can see the wave here, drop, rise, retracement, rise. Yes, it is looking upwards. It can stretch the rally for a little while because see, there is a strong, deep valley here which it is trying to recover. So it is still to be considered as a retracement, and hence wait for it to break past 2.3 to rather $3 levels. Beyond that, certainly it is going to fly high. RSI trying to trade with comfort, neither bullish nor bearish here. If you look at the weekly, now on the weekly charts, yes, it is a reversal. Yes, there is a support at 2.06 level, but at the same time, one must not forget that it is still trading in this bearish channel. Let it break out beyond 2.6, and then for the near term, you can expect 2.8, $3 levels, and it is going to scale up at a very fast pace. So this is something you should note. Wait for it to break past now beyond 2.6. The stochastic was oversold. It is trying to recover. It stayed oversold for multiple weeks. It can try to come back to overbought zone and a faster pace. Now look at, more interestingly, the MACD. The MACD had crossed over after a very strong long bearish trail here. Straight fall there. It has come down from plus 1000, rather I'll say plus 500 to minus 1000 levels, and now this is the time for it to recover here, and hence I will still remain bullish. There were many comments earlier that everybody is saying bearish, 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 and see, uh, I don't follow what others say, but see, the analysis and charts is what we should respect, and see what we had done. It has from risen from $2 to 2.5, 2.6 zone. Now see, it has crossed over, trading with divergence. It has started to look upwards. Uh, Possible it can show you a little swing before it tries to rise, but yes, certainly we can expect that the $2 levels is going to be possible. It has seen the bottom out here at 2.06, and we are not going to see net gas below $2 levels anytime soon. So this is a very good sign, coming at a lower levels, trading with divergence, indicating good bullishness. RSI is also trading here at bottom, and it can try to recover here. Now look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, this is the quick resistance zone far above at 4.5 levels. The 20-50-100 period moving average, right now it has to stay above $3 levels in order to confirm a rise here. Now see, the stochastic, which was trading extremely oversold for a couple or more months, now is trying to recover, and it is looking upwards. It has started to look upwards. Possibly there could be a chance of a rise from here. Now look at the monthly MACD and see, at this point we told you that in my yearly analysis I told you that there is potential weakness here. It has crossed over. It can continue with the divergence. Now at this point it appears that the peak is, the candle size have peaked here. Possibly from here a little conversion is to be there. It has to rise a little. If not a crossover, at least it may try to pull back a prices little up, converge here, and even if it has to trade bearish, because see, this movement was stronger bullish movement. So there could be a possibility that it can try to take its sub-zero levels. However, it has to converge a little, and hence, yes, a little retracement on the upside till 4-5 levels in the near future. Maybe 3 months to 6 months down the lane, we can see it hitting $5 to $6 levels before it tries to retrace again on the downside. So be careful. I am expecting it to converge here. The RSI is also hit at a bottom, and see, it is trying now to recover. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should be part of my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, where to buy? See, very interestingly, it is closed at around 2.42, which is a good resistance zone. I will recommend you to buy here at 2.43 itself, because see, I am expecting it to trade a little bullish before it tries to drop. So 2.48, 2.5 levels is something which I will wait for it to break past by. If it stays above 2.5, 2.55, 2.6. Now just wait for it to break past by 2.6. Remember, this could be a turning stone for it. Beyond that also, 2.64, 2.72 and 2.8. Yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Net gas have seen a good drop. It can see a good rise to an exponential pace it might take. But remember, 2.8 certainly be a good resistance, because beyond that $3 levels is a certainty. Right now I am trying to look forward to a bullish perspective. However, do not forget that now till 2.6, 2.64, in fact I will include this, till 2.64, do not consider net gas as bullish. It can possibly reverse, possibly try to drop here. So till 2.64, you have to keep trailing your stop losses. You have to either shift your stop losses here, or book 50%, trail the rest, or book 100%, re-enter. But please ensure till 2.64, do not consider, do not be in a comfort zone, do not think that it is going to fly high further. So yes, on the downside, what is the possibility where you should sell? Only sell entry 2.38, below that also 2.35, 2.32, and then 2.28. Now remember, only and only if it breaks below 2.28, you can say that there is going to be bearishness for 2.25, and the gap is going to be filled below that 2.22 and 2.2 levels. Now this is the level which I think it should respect, 2.2, and only bearishness is going to be seen if it trades further. Now remember, a gap filling exercise till 2.25, 2.22, and a reversal cannot be denied here. Hence take your trades accordingly. Remember, a little gap exists there which might get filled if it stays below 2.28. However, I will not say that this is bearish. This should be considered as a retracement, and it can possibly bounce back. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.